Podvarak is a dish popular across the countries of former Yugoslavia. The primary ingredients is sauerkraut. Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making baked sauerkraut with kobasice, which is called Podvarak. You're going to need 15 ounces sauerkraut, bacon 5 slices 250 grams, 2 onions 250 grams, 1 cup oil or lard, 4 to 6 smoked sausages, 1 tablespoon garlic, 3 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon paprika, and 1 teaspoon pepper. We're going to start with frying bacon and fry it until it's crisp. Add 1 cup oil or lard. I like using lard for this dish. It gives that authentic taste. But you don't have to, you can use oil instead. If you're using lard, wait until it's melted and then add onions. And cook it until it's softened. Add tablespoon garlic. Add paprika. And add pepper. Then mix it well and cook it for about 5 minutes. Add sauerkraut. Then move it to a dish that you're going to use to bake it. You don't have to, but I like to cut my sausages in half. Add a little bit of oil and then start frying sausages. Fry them until they're crisp on each side. Take half of the sausages and bury them inside the sauerkraut. And then other half just put them on top. Cover with the foil. Poke a few holes with the fork so the steam doesn't get trapped. Bake it on 350 for 45 minutes with foil, and then take the foil off and bake it on the same temperature for another 15 minutes. It tastes incredible and it's also healthy for you. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.